When we hear the word future, we imagine something so far away. But what if I tell you the future of 2026 is already around you and it is inside your phones, your gadgets, hospitals, roads, and factories? And yes, guys, in this video, I will explain you top 5 upcoming technologies of 2026, and they are not only just the science fiction, they are already implemented on the ground level or being rolled to be implemented. So let's begin. The first one is artificial intelligence and generative AI. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool, it has become a co-worker. AI chatbots handle customer supports. AI systems detect frauds in banks, and generative AI can create designs, codes, videos, and even marketing campaigns. In hospitals, AI reads X-rays faster than doctors. In factories, AI cameras detect product defect automatically. And by 2026, AI will not replace humans. AI will replace repetitive work. And on ground level, AI is working in the following ways. First one, AI in Indian Railways for tracking the track monitoring. Second one, AI Diagnostics in Apollo Hospital. And at last, AI assist in banks and e-commerce platform for advising people and giving them the big or the best choice as per their perspective, wants and needs. So let's move towards the second point, which is advanced 5G and the initial stage of 6G. Yes, 5G is already here, but in 2026, this is the time for advanced 5G. And in this way, we can say factories are now becoming wireless just because using this technology. Post tracks cargo in real time. Doctor performs medicational procedure under using low latency networks. And at last, 6G is not commercial yet, but trials and researches are already underway. The further, or we can say, the foundation of the next digital revolution will build only today. And let's talk about the few procedure or the things are going on the ground level. Jio and Airtel are improving their 5G networks, and the factories are becoming smart. And at last, remote surgery trials are using under 5G network. So let's move towards the third point, which is robotics and automation. Robots are no longer locked inside the lab. They are just designed for creating the world for the or with the advancement and the automation technology. They are just manufacturing cars in the factories. They are cleaning airports. They are packaging packets in the warehouses. And collaboratively, robots or cobots working side by side with humans by or for increasing or improving the speed and the safety. And we can say by the end of 2026, automation will be everywhere. And we can say that which is uniquely working in the background with the speed, with the help of the technology and with the IoT progress. And let's talk about on-ground examples of this technology. Robots are manufacturing cars in Maruti Suzuki plants. Amazons are using robots for packaging packets and transport them from one point to another in their warehouses. And hospitals are servicing robots for taking the proper measurement of their patients in India. So let's move towards the fourth point, which is edge computing and on-device AI. So right now, or we can say the earlier, everything is depend on the cloud because the things are not working on the ground level. But now intelligence is moving closer and right onto their devices. Smartphones are making the face unlock faster just because they are working or processing the thing locally. Traffic cameras are analyzing the videos faster or on the spot because the things are working locally. And self-driving cars are making decision inside the vehicle itself because the things are processing on the device itself locally. And yes, it is faster, safer and more private. It can make the data private, or with this the things are becoming more protective and personal. And yes, let's talk about how the things are working on the ground with example. So AI powered smartphones are launched or being up to be the launched in the upcoming days in this year. These phones are totally depend on on the mechanism or the chips are using inside it, and these are or will be used for processing the analysis inside the phone or the single device itself. And let's move towards the second point which is smart traffic surveillance. It is the private ecosystem which makes the data privacy and analyzing the things faster as the cloud works or faster than itself on that one too. And yes, automated vehicle system. These systems are working like the way the things were not being passed to the anyone else. They are making their owner being proud by processing things and the data privacy. So let's move towards the fifth point, AR, VR and extended reality. So we can say that the virtual reality is training workers and augmented reality is guiding technician. It just in AR. Augmented reality is just like the information is already surrounded by you, or you can see the information including the transparent background. Like this you can see the information, but the things are visible outside your glass or outside your AR VR set. But on the other hand, virtual reality is just work quite different. In virtual reality you are unable to see the background, or you are unable to see the things beside your glass. All the things are you can see all the things are virtual. And let's see, or we can say let's talk about the things which are been working on the ground level. So let's see, VR safety training by L&T. Let's talk about the second point, which is AR maintenance in aviation. And at last, medical VR analysis labs.